After levelling, is your printer still making this noise? All you need is a spacer, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Go to Thingiverse, links in the description, and download this file. Now you've got your file, unzip it with whatever program you use, 7-zip, WinRAR, and you'll have this folder. You need to go into the files folder, and you'll see you'll have 3 files, 3 spacers, different sizes. You don't need the big one, that's more for the flex plate if you're installing one, so just to cure our problem it's either going to be the first or second one. I printed both in this guide, but yeah, I only needed the first one. Open up your slicer of choice, I use Lychee, and just drag and drop whichever size spacer you want to print. You can print all 3 if you like, and you can try them all out, but I only use the first one, the thinnest one, so it's entirely up to you. I printed these flat. I'm not really bothered about the elephant's foot you can get by printing flat. It's only a spacer. Just make sure they've got full contact with the build plate in your slicer. Now you need to raise up your build plate arm so you can access underneath. And we need to remove this sensor plate. And we need to do it by grabbing our Allen key and removing these 2 screws here. You'll find the correct size of that Allen key in a little bag that came with your printer, and you'll use this to undo these screws. Remove both of them and the plate will come away. Choose which size spacer you need. I chose the thinnest one, and install it all back together on top of your sensor plate. Make sure that your sensor plate is at a precise 90-degree angle because it needs to fit inside the sensor down at the bottom when the build plate goes to the home position. Have a look on your printer and you'll see what I mean. We're all done. Just need to re-level the build plate and we're good to go. Just release these 4 bolts. Don't forget your levelling paper, and finally press the home button. Now apply gentle pressure, pushing the build plate down to the screen, and tighten those 4 bolts back up. Set your Z0, confirm with enter, and enter again to raise the platform. And that's your levelling done. Now let's see if it's solved the issue. Let's press the home button and see if we get the same crunchy noise we got before. I know we've not got the VAT installed this time, but the paper takes the place of the FEP. It's the same thickness. Perfect. And the sensor plate sitting in the centre. Hope that helps you.